The word of the day is analyze. Here's a word that will instantly make you sound smarter. The definition of the word analyze is to look at something carefully and break it into parts to understand it better. An easy way to think about the word analyzing is like being a detective. You don't just look, you look closely and figure things out. Picture this. Let's watch Mia analyze the case of the missing cookie. Lunch was loud as always, but Mia stayed sharp, waiting for trouble to blink first. Then a sudden uproar hit. Someone swore the bake sale cookie jar had just been robbed. Mia trusted tiny details, and soon the crumbs pointed to the new kid's quiet corner. Before she could move, her best friend blamed her, so Mia chose facts over feelings. Step by step, she followed the trail, proving big problems shrink when you break them down. At the corner table, the truth finally surfaced. He took one cookie, just to belong. Mia shared the cookie anyway, and the case ended with a new friend, not a fight. So remember, analyze to look at something carefully and break it into parts to understand it better. Follow for more words that actually stick.